Hello there guys, and welcome to another day on Pro Trading Guide. If you're new to this channel, we strongly recommend that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so you do not miss out on later video releases and updates that will be given. Okay, so once again it's another day on our podcast that we titled Before You Quit Trading, Do This Triple R Ritual. And in episode 1 we presented the first R as reset each day. Okay, reset each day. And in this episode we're going to be discussing the second R, which is the reward. So the second R is actually to reward yourself. Now it is important that you acknowledge that trading is a very tough discipline. Okay, you're sitting before the screen and staring at these charts for hours. You're putting yourself through mental torture, like we said the other time, and trying to get your head around all the trickeries that's in the market, and it's going to be very unfair to yourself to put yourself through all these and not reward yourself. Okay, then it becomes so hard for you to reconcile between trading is profitable and I am putting myself through a lot of mental torture. Okay, so rewarding yourself is how you can get the two to agree with each other, because that you say I'm putting myself through all these torture because trading is profitable, and here is the reward that I have to prove this assertion. Okay, so we reward ourselves each day, and the way that we do that at Pro Trading Guide is that you start each day, you reset your day, you go through a successful trading day, you make some profits. We do not leave the profit in their account. Okay, we reward ourselves on a daily basis, because the triple R is a daily thing that you do. Okay, it's a daily routine. So you start off the day, you reset each day, go through a successful trading day, and once you're done, you want to reward yourself for that day for two reasons. Number one is quite simple. Your trading account is not a bank account, so it is just not a place to leave profits there. Number two, you do not want to start the next day exposing your previous day's profit to the market again. Then if you having a losing day, then that's like you losing your previous day's hard work as well. So we do not want to leave profit inside. And there are times you're like, okay, my account size is pretty small. I started with, let's say, $50. I made like $10 today, so it wouldn't make any difference leaving it. Well, that is quite understandable that you want to grow your account to some amount, but also you need to understand that that $10 is something that you do not mind losing again, and regardless of what you had to put yourself through to make that $10, you still do not mind losing it. And in that case, it's going to be an exception. Okay, so you can leave that money in the account in that case, because you want to grow your account to in size before you start to reward yourself. That's also understandable. Okay, so you can choose to go rewarding yourself after hitting the milestone, but what we strongly recommend is that you reward yourself on a daily basis. You have $50, you made $10, take it out. The next day, if you are able to make another $10, take it out. That's $20. Okay, whether you're leaving the money inside your account or you withdrawing it, it's still that same money that you're making. But the difference is that if you do not reward it, you risk losing it as well. Okay, so that is why we want to reward, we want to take out money each day. Now, why should you even take out money? Why reward yourself? Now, trading losses can be very, very discouraging. Okay, it can really put you off. It can destroy your confidence. It can hurt you feeling so much and affect you in the next trading session. So, rewarding yourself is one of the ways that we get to cope with losses. So, like, you start today, you make $10, you withdraw that money. The next day, you start off again, you lose $5. You're like, okay, I lost $5, but I made $10 yesterday, so that's still something. Okay, I have not lost that much yet. I still have like $10, so that's like I made $5 on top of my capital. Okay, now if you happen to go through 5 days of successful trading, making $10 each day, that's $50. You've doubled your trading capital. And so let's just say in the next trading session you happen to lose, let's say $10. It is not going to hurt that much because you have made $50 already. So hey, it's okay to lose something. Is all a part of the trading. You consider it as operation expense, but you do not want to be losing money without rewarding yourself. Okay, and we have a saying here at Pro Trading Guide, and it's pretty much not like something we made up here, but hey, we all agree that you cannot lose what you do not have. Okay, so if that profit is not sitting inside your account, there's no way that you can give it back to the market. You do not want to expose yourself so much. You have $50. If you could make $10 with that $50, hey, then chances are you can make that same $10 the next day. You do not need $60 sitting in your account to make $10 again. So hey, go ahead and withdraw that money, keep it somewhere. If by chance you happen to lose money, at least you know yesterday's hard work is still preserved. Okay, so that is it. And then also we reward ourselves to enforce to ourselves that trading is a profitable venture. Okay, now people get caught up in the I want to see my account grow so big and it looks so adorable, and it's kind of some sort of achievement or some accomplishment, and if I grow my account, I get to increase my trade size. I get to make even more. Look, do not get sucked up in this delusion. Okay, it's kind of some sort of pointless fantasy that people like to go through. You just want to see that, oh, I started managing a $50 account, now it's grown to $1,000, and you still have all that $1,000 in your account. There is the temptation and the tendency to start opening bigger positions. Okay, and you could get hit one time. You probably use 0.05 or 0.5 lot size to make this kind of money in over like a period of 1 month, and suddenly you have $1,000 in your account, and you want to open like, let's say, 5 lot size or 10 lot size because you've seen a signal that you think is a good sign in the market, or because, well, why not? You have the money inside their account, so you can go ahead and do whatever you want. Okay, and then if the market goes against you, boom, that's it. You lose not just a day's profit or the equivalence of a day's profit. You lose your entire 1 month hard work, and it starts to hurt you so badly, then you make stupid decisions, and eventually you blow out your account, or you begin to fear the market, and that is when the market even gets you gets the best part of you. Okay, so you want to what? Withdraw your money. You want to withdraw your account, and when you withdraw that money, look, do not put it back into trading. Do not do it. Get out there, spend that money, use it for something. Take yourself to some beach, hang out with some friends, have a good time, eat something that you don't usually eat. Give yourself a treat. Okay, go on a vacation. Like, hey, move to a better apartment. Okay, upgrade your lifestyle. That is the whole point of trading, so we can change we can have a change of lifestyle. Okay, so you're making this money and you're not using it for it, then you're not enforcing the fact that trading is profitable. You do this to yourself. You look at I have changed my apartment through trading. I have a car now through trading, and I've done a lot of things through trading. And you go ahead and lose $1,000. You're like, hey, so whatever, man. I've made way more than that, and you get to cope with it. And the next day, it becomes a lot easier for you to do the first R, which is to reset each die. Okay, because you can do a flashback on the profits that you've made, and it make it feel kind of natural to lose money. Okay, guys, so pretty much I think I've exhausted everything regarding rewarding yourself. Okay, so you need to understand, hey, your trading account is not a bank account. Withdraw that money if you can. Withdraw it on a daily basis. Okay, you do not want to take that money back into the market. We don't want to give anything back to the market. It's a wicked, evil, cruel market out there, and we do not want to play fair with the market. Okay, so you make that money, hey, take it out. All right, guys, so thanks for your time. We like to get feedbacks from you, so hey, get onto the comment section and ask some questions. Okay, what do you recommend that we do video about? What topic that you want us to discuss, or what is it that you suggest that we do? Okay, and what kind of commendation that you have for us? Okay, some compliments, even if it's just a hi, just go ahead and do it. And be sure to like this video, and also subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon, because if you do not do it, I bet the brokers will see your stop losses and hit it. Alright, so thank guys for your time, and until the next time, we'll be presenting you the last R, which is to restart. We say, like always, trade safe, stay safe. Goodbye.